Hello everyone, come back to my channel, and now I am going to download the for Lexmark. This here for Surya. You type here, try for download, and this why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for your official website. You click here, try for the download, and this here for search by device your model and paste your model to print and click find button, find a driver and download. This here for the loading you the driver, and this here for the tag automatic your automatic it take automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Windows 11, this here for the tag your automatic operating system for the Windows 11. If you make the operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh, and this here for the tag automatic your operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh, and this here for the driver support and printer and scanner, and this here for the freeware. If you need download, you click here for button download the driver package. Click here, and this here for support your operating system for all your operating system for the Windows version, and this here for the Windows 11 the version, Windows 10 version, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support, and this here for the language the match the language support, and this here for the this here for the English the language, and I'm install the English in language. If you need to download, you click here for button start download. This here for you try for download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wire. Finish ready for download. If you finish ready for download, you double click file. You click next and you click finish. This here for the take automatic your USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video. And this here for the drive for download. Okay.